Hello all, welcome to my channel Still Stories, and in this video we will talk about hanbok rental in Seoul. Now, if you're planning a trip to South Korea, wearing a hanbok is something that you shouldn't really miss, okay? Because the hanbok is not just a clothing, it is more than it. It's Korea's identity, history, and elegance stitched into fabric. Hanbok is Korea's traditional clothing worn for centuries. It is known for its vibrant colors, simple lines, and graceful flow. But booking it can be confusing if you don't know where to start. So, in this video, I will show you the easiest way which I found it online. Now, I had used Klook for my booking, and in this video, I will show you the exact steps to book using Klook, plus a few mistakes that you should avoid. So, stay tuned with me. Now, let's proceed to Klook booking. We will search Hanbok Rental Soul Klook. Then you'll get a sponsored result, Hanbok Rental Soul. Once we click here, we will land on this page. Now, how will you understand like while booking from Klook, at which store is your booking being done? So it is written here, Hanbok Rental with Korean hairstyling at Hanboknam, Gyeongbokgung. So Hanboknam is the name of the store where Klook will make your booking. Now let's move below. So here you will see that the store is open 365 days. Last admission is 5 p.m. Last return is 6:30 p.m. and the store closing time is 7 p.m. Then we have a few highlights here wherein it is mentioned that if you want professional photos in your handbook, you can check out the photo shooting services. Then it is stating the location of the shop, that the shop is located at 1 minute walking distance from the station line 3. Then you will get free lockers, large suitcase storage, inner skirt, and hairstyling, and it depends on the package selection. Now, note that in the package, you will get to choose your handbag and few accessories in your hairstyling. But if you need advanced hairstyling, you may have to pay extra. Now, it is also mentioning the store's busiest hours, that is from 9 a.m. to 12 noon. And this store is the biggest store near Gyeongbokgung Palace, and more than 1,000 handbags are available here, from baby size to adult double XL size. Now, this point is important that the time spent selecting a handbag and doing hairstyling is not included in the rental period. What does it mean? So, when you make a booking here, say for 1.5 hours or 4 hours or for entire day, that time does not include the time that you spend in selecting a handbag and doing the hairstyling. So, the selection process of your handbag, doing the hairstyling, and getting yourself entirely ready is not included in the time for which you will rent the handbag. Now, the most important bonus point here. Now, if you're visiting the Gyeongbokgung Palace wearing a hanbok, the admission tickets are free of charge. You don't have to pay anything for entering the palace. But if you visit the palace without wearing the hanbok, then you need to pay the entrance fee, which is 3,000 won for adults and 1,500 won for children. Now let's move below to the package options. But before that, they have some offers for you. So if you have a MasterCard, they will give you 25% off, terms and conditions applied. Now let's move below. So in package options, you first need to check the availability. Say if you want to visit the palace on 7th May. Then you select the date here. Then you have the package type, basic, themed, and premium. If you select the basic, then if you see, you get the number of hours for which you are entitled to rent handbag in the basic package. That is, you have 1.5 hours, 2.5 hours, 4 hours, and 1 day option. Then, if you say you want it for 4 hours, then you get to select the number of persons for which you are making the booking, say one, two, three, or so on, and you get the final price here. Now, if you see here, you get the package details. So book now for today, free cancellation before the activity date, valid on the selected date, instant confirmation, Then what is included? It is admission to the palace is included. As I mentioned, that wearing a hanbok and visiting to the palace is free of charge. So you don't have to pay any entrance fee for that. Now it is saying that Tuesday the palace is closed. Then one set of traditional hanbok rental is included, basic hairstyling, inner skirt, free storage during hanbok experience, that is all included. And what all is excluded? Other personal expenses, photography fee, accessories, makeup service, accessories rental, say bag, hair accessories, hat, you need to pay on the site. Now, then before you book, there is some information that has been mentioned here that the same price applies to all ages. Activity has no age limit. Then additional information that available sizes for females, available sizes for males. Then all okay. So now when you're choosing the handbag, it is not that you can spend 1 or 2 hours selecting the handbag. So each customer has 30 minutes to choose their desired handbag design. Please leave your garments and shoes in the lockers. So they have the designated lockers which they provide free of cost, wherein you can keep your belongings. Please make use of the changing rooms in the store and ask the store staff for assistance in wearing the handbag. That you can use the changing rooms already available in the store. Now, okay. Now, if we think that, okay, we have booked it for 4 hours, but let's say we want to extend it, so you will have to pay a late return surcharge, which will be 1,000 won for every 10 minutes per person for traditional handbag and 2,000 won every 10 minutes per person for themed handbag. So we need to keep in mind the timeline is tight. Any damage and or loss of accessories and locker keys are subject to additional charges. And then it is stating that the palace is closed on Tuesdays. Okay. So now we saw the basic things, what all is included in basic theme. Now let's go to the themed package type. In themed package type, again, you have all things which is included here. Okay. Now then in themed, again, you have the pass type 1.5 hours, 2.5 hours, 4 hours, and 1 day. Then it is saying that the cost of themed package type for 4 hours here is 2064 INR. Then we go to the premium option. So now in premium option, then you select a time, say 11 a.m. So you get the price here. And if you notice, the premium package type is available only for 4 hours, 1 day, and 2 hours. So the 1.5 hours option is not available here. So once you have selected your like designated time, package type, and pass time, you can go to book now. But before that, you have to sign up. So when you click on sign up, you get many options. You can use a Google account, phone number, email, Apple ID, Facebook, Kakao, Naver, WeChat. And once you sign up, you log in and you click on book now. Then once your booking is done, you will get a booking confirmation voucher, and on the day of your booking, say 7th May in our case, you just need to visit the store at the designated time, and you need to show your voucher at the store and they will help you choose a handbag and get dressed. So this is how we book using Klook. Then if you go below, you also have what to expect section wherein they are stating the branch name. It is the largest store as we all already saw. Then we have the basic handbook. Now, how do you understand? Like what is the theme type? Say what is included in basic, what is included in themed, what is included in premium. You can see here. So basic handbook is the traditional and elegant, commonly worn on holidays. Themed handbook is fusion style with bright colors and lace, perfect for photos. So it includes character handbook from K-dramas, King, Queen, Warriors, etc. And premium handbook is the luxurious designs, including royal and wedding handbook. Free accessories are provided in premium handbook, hairpins, bags, norige, shoes, and some styles may incur extra charges. Now, what are the services? Free hairstyling with optional upgrade. So, as I mentioned, that once you select a package, a certain like category of hairstyling is included for free. But if you need additional accessories or anything, then you will have to pay extra at the time of your like makeover. Then traditional accessory souvenirs are available for purchase there. Photo shoot and makeup services are also available, but you need to make a reservation. Luggage storage, locker rental, hair decoration, petticoat rental services, etc., are other services that they provide. I hope you are now clear on how to book the handbook from Klook. If you have any queries, please feel free to drop your queries in the comment section below. Note that this is not a sponsored video. This is based on my own personal experience when I booked the handbook using Klook, and it was seamless for me. So I wanted to share with you all. Now, if you don't want to book via Klook, or in case you missed booking it earlier, you also have walk-in options available. Like you will get multiple stores between the palace and Bukchon Hanok village. So you can simply walk in, you can choose your handbook, accessories, you can rent it, and then you are free to, explore the palace and the village. So these are the walk-in options. Now, before moving forward, there are certain important tips that I want to give you. First, try to go early in the morning to avoid crowds. We already saw the busiest hours in the site earlier. Now you can choose the handbook you like. So take time to select the best one for yourself. But remember that time should not exceed 30 minutes. Also, it may depend from store to store, but the store handbook num that we saw earlier, it gave you 30 minutes time to select. But trust me, the staff there is like super supportive, so you will not have any issue in choosing the handbook. And they will give you, they will guide you, they will suggest you, and they will give you tips like how you can enhance your look and so on. Now, shops charge extra for hairstyling and accessories not included in the package. We have discussed this before. And keep your passport or ID with you. This is very important. Now, before ending the video, I also want to give you some insight on the colors of handbook because once you visit there, you will be so overwhelmed with the type of handbooks that you have, the colors you choose. So you might want to, know that like what colors represent what. So first, let's start with white. So white handbook represents peace, modesty, patriotism, life. Red handbok represents passion, love, growth, fortune, wealth. Blue color represents tranquility, stability, new love, clarity. Yellow handbok represents royalty, nobility, center of universe. Green handbok represents youth, vitality. Pink handbok represents innocence, femininity. Purple handbok represents wealth, elegance. And black handbok is usually for formality, mourning, or high authority. So, if you liked this video, if you found this video to be useful, please like, comment, share, and subscribe my channel. Your support will mean a lot. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.